Hello, my name is Joiner Carvajal Gonzalez. I belong to the group 900,002. I am 31 years old. I study the industrial engineering program and I currently and work as a commercial advisor in a heavy machinery company in Barranca Bermeja. My travel experience that I want to talk to you about is when I visited the city of Santa Marta with my family. First, must arrive at the sector now at the Rodadero, where we stay in the beautiful hotel with a swimming pool and a great view of the sea. It's a beach, very big luxury, best tourist, and you can feel an atmosphere of joy. It's a hardware crowded and with good music. The when visited the aquarium, we enjoyed the marine diversity. My daddy was very happy. The spectacle of dolphins. We had never been there. We were also in Playa Blanca, which is crystalline waters and white sand. Sometimes we ride jet skis on diving, which you call red. Have lunch, enjoying a great day on the beach. Reason C. Finally, we visit the beach of Bahia Concha. Very quiet, place to relax and breathe. Whenever we go to the beach, we disconnect from everything. Sometimes a musical group arrives on a special occasion. Easy withdrawn from the city. Finally, during the time we stay in Santa Marta, we visit restaurants where we could enjoy the cuisine, know the tourists and historical sites. It's one experience for me and wife whole family. Bye.